I am sure you will absolutely love this strategy because it's really great and I can only highly encourage you to test it. It's about firing 2 events on a landing page. Let's look at a very simple case. We are sending traffic to an opt-in page and we want to collect leads. So for example, after a user hits the opt-in page, after he submits his contact information, he gets forwarded to the thank you page. Now the users who land on the opt-in page, on the landing page, you can actually put them into 3 different categories. We have immediate bouncers who jump off after like 1 or 2 seconds. Then we have people or Facebook users who are in the decision phase. So they stick around on the opt-in page for 10-15 seconds, but then they decide not to opt in. And then we have users who opt in. We have the converters. Here's the thing. It would be great to optimize a campaign in a way that would not reach out to Facebook users who show qualities of immediate bouncers. So ideally, we want to go after converters and people in the decision phase and reach as few users as possible who fall into the immediate bouncers category. Here's a way how you can accomplish that goal. Fire 2 events on your landing page. Fire the standard, the default event page view immediately, and then add a second event, the event view content, and delay the firing of the event by, I'd say, 10 seconds. And use the Google Tag Manager to accomplish that goal. Fantastic features, in my opinion, pretty simple to use. So you have 2 events on the landing page. One is the event page view. That event fires immediately once a user hits the opt-in page or the landing page. And then we have the event view content that actually excludes the immediate bouncers and captures converters and users who are in the decision phase. Now, what do you do with the view content audience data? Well, you can either set up retargeting campaigns, going after the people in the decision phase only and excluding the bouncers, or that's something you should do and split test, create a lookalike audience based on the view content event. So you're working with a higher quality seed audience, an audience that doesn't capture immediate bouncers. I hope that makes sense. We figured out a couple of times in this training that it's important to work with high quality seed audiences. So instead of going after all landing page visitors, you can decide to get rid of the immediate bouncers and go only after those Facebook users who show a significant interest in your offering. I do not recommend starting off with the strategy right away. I recommend to split test this approach against working with a lookalike audience of, let's say, all users who hit the landing page. So creating a lookalike audience based on the page view event. What are the results that you can expect with this strategy? Well, apart from starting off with a more relevant audience or seed audience, you will see a lower bounce rate on the landing page. And that is also a factor Facebook is looking at to determine your CPM. The algorithm is also looking at the post-click experience. So if fewer people bounce on the landing page, that will have a positive impact on your campaign performance. And at the end of the day, you can expect to see a higher relevance score and a lower CPM.